Hello friends, in this session of chapter 7 triangle we will see some more properties of triangle. So we have theorem 7.2. Angles opposite to equal sides of an isosceles triangle are equal. So we take the triangle ABC as isosceles triangle, then in their two sides AB and AC we take as equal sides. So given information is there in triangle ABC, AC equals to BC. Now we want to show that the angle opposite to equal side means opposite AB is opposite angle C and AC is opposite angle B are equal. And so to prove we have angle B equals to angle C. Now we start the proof. Let's construct the bisector of angle A. AD. Let's construct bisector of angle A which intersect BC at B. Now as AD bisects the angle A, we can write that angle BAD equals to angle CAD. And so for triangle ABD and triangle ACD, we have AB equals to AC, that is given. Angle BAD equals to angle CAD, we did a construction, and AD equals to AD, that is the common. So it happens side angle side, side angle side by SAS rule. Triangle ABD is congruent with triangle ACD, and as ABD and ACD are congruent by CPCT, we can write that angle B equals to angle C. Hence our theorem is proved. Now theorem 7.3 is converse of the 7.2. Here we need to prove that side opposite to equal angles of triangle are equal. Means in triangle ABC, if we take angle B equals to angle C, then we need to prove that AB equals to AC. So given information now we have in triangle ABC, angle B equals to angle C, and to prove we have AB equals to AC. So again we construct the perpendicular or angle bisector of angle A. So let's construct AD, an angle bisector of angle A which intersects BC at D. And so we have angle BAD equals to angle CAD. Now again we can see for triangle ABD and triangle ACD, we have angle BAD equals to angle CAD. We have accepted through construction. Angle B equals to angle C, that is given, and AD equals to AD, that is common side. So here angle side by AAS, congruence rule. We have triangle ABD is congruent with triangle ACD. As ABD congruent ACD, its corresponding sides AB and AC are equal, and so we say that AB equals to AC. We have example for, in triangle ABC, the bisector AD of angle A, means AD is the bisector, so BAD and CAD are equal, is perpendicular to BC, means it makes the right angles with the BC side, so ADB and ADC are right angle. Then show that AB equals to AC. So by AD we are getting two triangles, ADB and ADC. So in that triangle ABD and ACD, we have angle BAD equals to CAD as it is given in the information. We can see that in triangle BAD and CAD, AD is the common side, and so it is equal. And perpendicular means right angle is always equal, so ADB equals to ADC. So it happens angle side angle. And so by ASA rule, triangle ABD is congruent with triangle ACD. As two triangles are congruent, by CPCT we can say that AB equals to AC. Therefore, triangle ABC is an isosceles triangle. Now example 5, we have E and F are midpoints of AB and AC. So E is midpoint of AB and F is the midpoint of AC, and they are equal sides, AB and AC are equal. Then show that BE equals to CF. So BE and CF BF equals to CE. So BF and CE containing two triangles, we have ABF and ACE. So AB equals to AC, that is given in the question. BAF and CAE will be common angle for both the triangle, and so angle A equals to angle A, it is common for both the triangle. And AF is the half of AC, AE is the half of AB, as E and F are midpoint, but AB and AC are given equal, so AE and AF are also equal, and so AE equals to AF. So we have side angle side by SAS, side angle side. Two triangles are congruent. As two triangles are congruent, its corresponding part BF equals to CE, and so we can say that by CPCT BF equals to CE. Now we have example 6, that ABC is isosceles triangle with AB equals to AC. D and E are points on BC such that BE equals to CD. Then show that AD equals to E. So AD and AE containing two triangles, we have ABD and ACE. So AB equals to AC, that is already given into the question. Now two sides are equal, so opposite angles are equal, and so AB is opposite angle C and AC is opposite angle B are equal, so angle B equals to angle C. Now in the question it is mentioned that BE equals to CD. But BE is divided in two parts, two segments BD and DE. And CD also divided in two segments CE and DE. So for both the segment DE is common. So DE subtract from both the side, then we will get here BD equals to CE. And so in triangle ABD and ACE, AB equals to AC, angle B equals to angle C, BD equals to CE. So we get side angle side by SAS rule. ABD and ACE are congruent. As they are congruent, their respective corresponding sides are equal, and so AD's corresponding side AE is equal, so AD equals to AE.